Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is clay preparation. Our topic is clay preparation. Clay preparation consists of number 1, removal of large stones, roots, etc. Number 2, crushing of large particles. Crushing of large particles. Number 3, extract its finest grain. Number 4, mixing materials. Making objects with clay. Modeling. Number 1, pot, cup, plate, etc. Number 2, bricks. Number 3, house, garden, etc. Number 4, book, pen, chair, and table. Number 5, car, bicycle. Number 6, insect and butterfly. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.